And when I did, I said, okay, it's my time to make noise. I was quiet when I was younger. I got thrashed in the military because I couldn't yell loud enough. I'm just not a loud person. And I said, I'm going to make noise. But I didn't want that to be like me just being a middle-aged angry woman talking about my ex, because that's not why I was talking about it. I'm not an angry person. I'm at peace. I love my life. I have forgiven him, but there were some things that I needed to talk about and reasons why I needed to talk about that. And so I said, well, look, if I'm going to make noise, that's going to be my narrative of inspiration, strength, and encouragement. So I turned that noise into an acronym, and I'm hoping that that encourages so many other people to do that, because we can all take our adversity and turn it into something positive.